that ecosystem has changed considerably in the last 3 or 4 years. If you think back on technology in general, 5 years ago, there were a lot of tools out there, but little, if any, were connected to each other, unless you went about building your own connection or driving data into a data center and then having another tool access that data center. So in some respects, that was an easier environment because it was, almost a standalone tool in every case. But what has changed is as the technologies have gotten better and the connectivity has gotten better, it's a much bigger challenge, particularly, I'd say for every organization, to figure out what's next and how do you connect it and how is it all going to work and play well with everything else you have. So, I kind of figured out a couple of years ago that the pace of change that was going on in this space, one person or two people couldn't keep up with it, and I needed to engage other people in the organization. And so we actually formed a group of kind of the next generation of Glenview professionals, and basically set about a task of, hey, you all need to understand and build what the future ecosystem is like. And Jeff, I know you're from the north and you're probably played ice hockey your whole life. Someone from Kentucky, who's never set a foot on the ice wouldn't know it. But the one phrase I always heard and it rung with me was the skate to the puck. And right. It's really important in this digital ecosystem. If you're just always focused on where it is today, you're never going to transform your business. And so we're and I wouldn't say we're by no means finished with this. We're probably in the early innings of really looking at what are the tools we have, how are we going to connect them, do we have the right tools, what tools are missing, and what do we need to do next. And it's, as I say, it's a constant evolution. I think about our ecosystem, which is probably similar to others, but you could really, when you think about the two main components, it's, what's going to be the client interface, and how are we going to provide information to clients, and then what are we going to do for the advisor, and how are they going to gather information and pull it all together. So I think about our client portal. That's our hub of the client experience, and our CRM becomes the hub of the advisor experience. And the ultimate goal then is to connect the two, so everyone is seeing and sharing the same data and being able to service clients in a better way.